Welcome to MyHealth Access Network. We're happy to have you on board Oklahoma's largest and most comprehensive health information exchange. MyHealth offers a variety of health information services to our customers. In this video, you will learn about our MyHealth 2.0 provider portal. You'll learn how to use the provider portal, what you'll see in a patient record, how patient records are protected, and when to use MyHealth. There are two ways to enter the provider portal. You can use a single sign-on feature called iHealth View. This allows you to access a patient's MyHealth record while in your EMR, or you can access the provider portal through your favorite browser at https://portal.myhealthaccess.net. For single sign-on, your EMR administrator will provide you with instructions on how to access MyHealth through the patient's EMR record. Please note, not all EMRs allow for this function. Please check with your IT support for instructions. To log on for the first time, select Forgot Password. You'll be asked to enter your MyHealth user ID and then select Continue. Determine how you would like the password verification code to be sent to you. If your cell phone is not listed as an option, please contact your MyHealth system administrator to make it so. Retrieve your 6-digit password verification code and enter it into the code field. Then create a new password. Select Continue when you're ready to log on, and you'll be taken back to the provider portal logon page. Enter your user ID and your new password. The actual portal design is clean and simple. Recent patients will display the most recent patient records you have viewed. By selecting the eye icon, you can reopen the record in the current screen, or select the expand icon to open the record in a new screen. To search for a patient record, enter the patient's first name, last name, and date of birth or zip code, then select Search. The search results matching the patient name will display. Identify the patient record you wish to open and select the eye icon to open the record in the current screen, or select the expand icon to open the record in a new screen. You might see your patient listed more than once. If you do, each listing represents different records for your patient and will require you to look at each to see the entire patient's community-wide record. MyHealth continually works the master patient index to reduce duplicate records. Problems with patient records can be noted in a support ticket by selecting Support and completing a ticket. Before the patient record will open, you are asked to justify your reason for accessing the patient record. Select Treatment if you're providing treatment to the patient, or Payment and Operations if it's a non-treatment situation. Then select Submit. Select Cancel if you realize this is not a record you wish to access. This action attests that you, under federal and state law, as well as your organization's policies, have the right to view a patient's record. MyHealth takes patient information seriously. Penalties exist for you and your organization if patient health information is not protected. This includes looking at patient records of patients who are not served by your organization. MyHealth works with our member EMR products to send electronic reviews completely customizable by moving and reshaping the portlets most important for your workflow. Simply grab the sizing tool in the bottom corner of the portlet and move or resize to meet your needs. Information listed in blue indicates you can see additional information, like a lab result, a report, or clinical documents. It's important to note here that MyHealth can only display the information sent from a particular source. If information you expected to see does not appear, this typically means the information is not being sent to MyHealth. Individual portlet tabs run across the top of the patient record. This provides you a larger view of the portlets. You can also see the patient's demographic information by selecting the drop-down box to the left of the patient's name, and even a demographic history by selecting the History button. You can also print the portlets individually or as a group to meet your needs. Additionally, you can search for specific information within a portlet. Enlarge a portlet by selecting the Enlarge arrows. It's not critical to your view by selecting the Hide arrow, and view it again by selecting the Unhide arrow. If you're logged into the web portal, you can search another patient record by selecting Home or the search icon. You can have multiple patient records open at one time. MyHealth partnered with the Oklahoma Bureau of Narcotics and Dangerous Drugs to include a link to the OBNDD site within MyHealth. By clicking this link, you can log on and submit controlled substance prescription information. MyHealth values your feedback and identification of issues. You can use the support feature to help identify issues with the provider portal, issues with data, and offer ideas for improvement by selecting support and completing a request. The help desk phone number and our business office is also listed here. To change your password, select the drop-down arrow next to your user ID and follow the change password process. And finally, to log out, select the Logout tab. The MyHealth privacy and security design captures the patient protection philosophy of our community stakeholders to preserve the availability, confidentiality, and integrity of individuals' protected health information. MyHealth data is protected by best practices in health information technology. Data is encrypted at all stages using the security industry's highest standards to protect information from outside attacks. Key components include: data is delivered securely. Data is encrypted and stored securely with many network controls. Data is backed up and stored securely. In case of major problems, secondary production machines in a separate location are reserved and can be quickly brought online. Data facilities have restricted access and extensive security controls. Data access is highly restricted, tracked, audited, and monitored. Authorized user accounts are only given to MyHealth member organizations. The MyHealth privacy and security policy was designed by a committee of privacy officers, security professionals, and lawyers from MyHealth's founding organizations, both large and small. MyHealth is compliant with the relevant components of Health Information Protection and Accountability Act and the Health Information Technology for Economic and Clinical Health Act. These regulations allow appropriate disclosure of PHI to individuals whose jobs require access and who have a direct patient relationship for purposes of treatment, payment, or operation. Rules of thumb to protect patient health information include: keeping your logon information and password private, only seek information about your patients, follow HIPAA and your organization's policies, and identify and communicate discrepancies of information to your MyHealth administrator. If you're interested in reading MyHealth's privacy and security procedures agreed to by all MyHealth organizations, then visit our website. Visit our webpage at myhealthaccess.net to identify MyHealth members and to see who's contributing data to MyHealth. Navigate to Who We Serve, then Health Systems and Providers. You can search by facility type, city, and even interact with the membership map. By clicking the map marker, you can identify the member location. Members contributing data to MyHealth are identified as data sources. Thank you for watching our training video. Select the I Did It button to create a certificate.